How to fix subtitles in Netflix. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix your subtitles in Netflix. Now due to security reasons, I'll be showing a blank screen if I try to open up the Netflix and I'll show you here. However, I'll simply guide you here on the browser so you can do it. Now what you want to do is you want to head into the sign in option. You want to simply open up your browser and there you want to search in for Netflix, and once you do so you can see www.netflix.com popping up here, and you can see sign in option there. You want to simply tap in sign in option and there you want to sign into your account. Now once you sign into your account here, what you want to do is there you want to go to your account page, and from the profile and parental control section you want to select the profile. Now once you select the profile, you want to select the change for subtitle appearance option. Once you do so, you want to choose your subtitle appearance settings and then select the save option. Now once you do so, it'll be changed. Your Netflix subtitles will be fixed, any settings that you want to make, and you want to open up your Netflix app and you want to start streaming easily with your new subtitle appearance or your settings. So this way you can fix subtitles in Netflix. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.